Welcome back everyone. I'm gonna explain for you guys a bit about how to register in our website and how to confirm your email so you can log into the website and use all the feature we have for tribalwars. But in the beginning, let me just show you. Here you can find all the servers that we have it online right now. And here we have the language. You have 4 languages to choose from: English, Arabic, Russian and Thailand. So let's get into the sign up. We go to sign up and then we have to choose a name. For example, let's say Peter, and an email address. I'm gonna take a temp mail from here, so let me copy this one from the clipboard, add it over here, and then we're gonna add a password. Let's say 456 456 456. Password confirm, the same thing, and then agree to the term and policy. Then we click register. It will move us up to the login page. Now as you can see, now we are in the login page. Let's say you can add the email, write the password, and then click login. It will not log in until you confirm your email. So how to confirm the email? You would have been received a configuration email like this one over here, as you see guys. You enter it. Sometimes it comes to the rubbish mail in Hotmail or Gmail, so you get a search in all mails. You can even click on confirm email, or you can just copy the link over here. So I'm gonna copy the link, add it on this page, click paste and enter. Now our email is confirmed. Now we can log in to our email that we have just did it. Let's try right now. Not this one. We're gonna take the email here from the keyboard, kick it really 456 456 456, click login. Perfect. Now we have been entered to the page, or to the main page inside our website. Let me log out because I have already an ready email to use it for you guys. So let's use the email that I already have from here. Let's say what was the password, as I remember this one. Okay, when we get this page, it's nothing wrong with it. You just need to re-log in. Just go back to the same link, log in, add the email, the password, and then we click. Oh, sorry, I mixed up the password. Okay, now. So now we have logged in. Okay, let me explain for you guys somewhat what you can find in here. So we have the payment, where you can make a plan, add time or upgrade subscription. This is the ready plans, and it's different from a server to another server. So also the prices get different. For example, in .NET is the same like here, but in Arabic it's a bit expensive. And you can also add your own plan. For example, you choose the one that you want to use, and then you just click yes and rename the plan. For example, war war 2, say like that, and then you can add it. For example, I want to use only the sending attacks. It will be like 22 bucks. Click add, plan is added, and then you can see it over here, war 2. After that, click on payment. It will direct you directly to our payment system. It's a gateway from PayPal. You can even use your PayPal account, like email and password, and pay right away, or you can just use the old method with the Visa card or credit card, and you fill up all your information. So after we have finished from this one, now we can move to the thing over here real quick. So let me explain for you guys. First, here, setting user game. Here you can add your user game in game, username in game. So for my username is Bonma, and I write also the password for the username, and click there login. After you click login, it will it will like tell you to wait for a minute or two. After a minute or two, it will tell you like have been done successfully. And if you have joined a new word, and this new word you cannot see it in here in the boats page, you see where I clicked. I will show you now. Excuse me, the internet is a bit slow at my place, so yeah, you gotta bear it with me, guys. Just a second. So as you can see, now we are back. Word 50, 51, 52 and 54. For example, if you joined 53 and you cannot see it in here, you go to setting user game, you click on search to add a new word. After that it will tell you added a new word if you have it, and if you have it you will see it in the bots page. As you can see, now we have been back to here. Here you can find everything about bots and how to work it on and how to run it. So I will get back to this in another video. Let me just explain for you guys the other things we have in here. So we have logs bots, and here where you can see what exactly is your bot doing. For example, in US 54 or US 52 or 51 or 50. It will take a bit time because it's have a lot of data, so I'm not gonna wait for it. But here you can see like the bot just mint coin for you, the bot just added troops for you, the bot just sends an attack. We can go back to status game, here where you can see how many troops you have inside the account. For example, right now I have like 66 light cavalry, 200 scouts. It give you also, it gather all the information of your account, how many troops you have in the whole account, not in one village or so on. We have both times work, and this one is only for admins. You cannot actually do anything in here except reset for farm bot assistant, and you can see run now means it's running, no problem on it. Here you can find the subscription page. It's the first page we landed on it when we started the video. Here you find the logs login, where we have tried the password many times. For example, I logged in from this particular IP, so it shows me like the email that I have used. Here it shows you the wrong password that I have tried. You see type login bad try website by username. So here I have used the password of 123 123 123, and it was the wrong password. So it also shows you if someone tried to log into your account. Over here you can just see the support. It means like one of the admins have entered your account to check on a bot or on something or something wrong, for example. Let me explain the rights here. Type login website by username, it's like log into the website. Type login browser by key, it means that I open the browser by key. By key it means this one, I open from this one or from this one. And the same for type login browser by admin key, it means that the admin have entered your account from these keys over here. We have also login by token. It's not fully ready yet, but we will have it soon, so you can like ask someone to sit in your account without giving him your credential, like the email or the username and password. You only give him a temporary password he can use like for some hours or some days. Here you can ask to change your info. You can change the name, the email, password, or control code. This one is control code. When you ask for control send code, it will send a code to your email, so you can write the code over here and it will accept from you the changing of name, email, or password. Login browser and login browser lite. Login browser, it's actually for multi-account login. If you wanna play multi-account, 4, 5, 10, 100 account, you click on login browser and it will log in you to the account. But this one, or this account, for example, it will not open because I'm not using the method of multi-account, so it will open with me only login browser lite. So let me open it for you. As you can see here, I have opened the account. This is my account in the US version or server, and I have access to everything except some things, like for example the support. I cannot log into it probably. No, I can. Okay, maybe I cannot change the word from here, for example, so you cannot get banned from login or using like multi-account. So as you see, you can see it not opening over here. Probably you cannot also log out or some other small features, but everything else you can actually use it in the game. So let me close this one for us. Download bot browser. This is the browser that you download so you can use these two methods. And drivers, this is like an update for your PC. If you have an old PC and you want to, and the bot browser is not running, so you just add this one and then install all the drivers inside it. That's everything about registering and what we have in the website over here. I will get back to you in other videos explaining more about the bots and how to use it.